it's a little bit. I need to fight with the ESP system. It's already off on the screen, but and the car is a little bit too snappy. It's not that predictable. A little bit. I need to fight with the ESP system. It's already off on the screen, but and the car is a little bit too snappy. It's not that predictable. Is really good. see that the ESP just it's really control this thing. And progressing. Oh, I got it. You need to gentle on the throttle and manage the angle, or the ESP just still a bit too much. Can rotate this thing with the throttle, but it still got some quite restrict ESP on the basic. So you got a physical grip circle and you got a ESP blanket circle. You need to jump between these two, and it will be put the ESP problem away. It's a really fun little car. This thing is called the Smart 3, and it's a really little fun hatchback, crossover hatchback. Unlike quite a amount of EVs getting bigger, heavier, and stupidly powerful, this thing weighs around 1.7 tons. Still quite a big number, but it's a small number if you compare with the other EV. And this thing is the similar size as a Mercedes-Benz A-Class, or a little bit bigger than a ID3 or Volkswagen Golf. So it's a proper city car. It's nimble. It's really easy to use in city, and that is the same category as a pre-gen petrol Smart. But this thing is so much better as a car compared with the previous one. First thing, it got a 200 kilowatt, 340 newton meter of torque rear motor, and you can see it is really easy to do some power slide when you exit the corner. And this thing is electric. Although it's a crossover, it's a little bit high as a SUV, but the battery is all the way down the floor, so it's you still feel the car just nearly flight in the corner, which is a really good one. But it's not that performance feel as a, let's say, Tesla Model 3 or Xiaomi SU7. This thing is like a fun car. The suspension allow you to rotate front, rear, left, right. You can feel it's a little bit of body roll, but it's not that soft, and the whole thing just clap. It just body roll and supportive. That is a really good feeling. It's like a little rally car, but we really need to throw this ESP away. And this thing, when you push it, it's not that linear. Also, it's quite a snap, instant oversteer, and you need to grab it really fast. Not like a FR BMW 3 Series or other thing like a Xiaomi. This thing is really snap. You need to, your hand and foot need to be really quick. It should be a really beautiful zero counter or a little bit counter exit, but the ESP just cut down my power. And this thing is, it's not a really good one. You can see this thing is really nimble.